Hi everyone, in this video we're going to continue working on Allie's straight line. As you can see, I've added another jump. All three are set at 12 inches and the spacing is about 8 feet, somewhere in there. So I'm going to go ahead and run her through this a couple of times just to see if her striding is right, if she's taking off from her rear, and how she's doing. If she looks good in this session, jumping in a nice straight line, then in the very next lesson I'm going to go ahead and start angling those jumps so she starts learning to turn on a curve. So we'll go ahead and run her through a couple of times. Come on out. Yes. Yeah. Okay, so before we progress to putting her on a curve, I'm going to vary the heights a little bit. Her standard height is going to be 16, so that's what she's going to be jumping in trials, so I want to start getting her used to jumping 16. So I'm going to go ahead and make the middle jump a 16-inch jump. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Uh-oh. And you see that time she started going low fast and started flailing her body a little bit. There we go. Kind of sort of. Allie, come here. Come here. Allie, come here. Good. Good. Very good. So we're going to go ahead and raise this one up to a 16. Good girl. Good. She's having to work a little harder getting over the 16-inch jump. So what I'm going to start doing is I'm going to spread these out a little bit. I'm going to run her a couple more times, and then I'm probably going to end up progressing in her next lesson to starting her on a curve. So we're going to go ahead and take this one. We're going to move it back a few feet. And we'll take this last one and move it back a few feet. So now there's probably 15 feet in between these jumps. Allie, allons-y. Good. Good girl. Good. Put this last one at 16 and let her go through one more time and then be done so she doesn't get too tired. Come on, let's go. Wait, sit. Wait. Okay. Yeah. Very nice. So, because she's jumping well, feel like she's using her body, in our next session with her, I'm going to start putting these jumps on a nice arc so she starts learning how to curve on the jumps. Because doing a straight line is fairly easy. It's when we start asking the dog to turn their body and jump at the same time and keep that form, that's when we can start running into issues. So our next lesson, we'll start adding some turns with our 3 jumps.